Guys, it is hot today. It's gonna be nice and cool in this truck. And you know, Kevin has got some really awesome tools. Let's take a look, see what he's got. Let's do it. Oh man, did you know it's hot out there?
Oh yeah, definitely. Especially after the rain, all the humidity does is jump afterwards.
Well,
Definitely.
I see we got a big open here, so
Oh yeah.
somebody done had a good week.
I've been through 2 of them.
Uh-oh. Man, is all that the same set right there?
Oh yeah.
Look
That's
at
our
all of them
grab and go
guys.
kit.
That's nice.
3/8 impact, 3/8 ratchet, shallow and deep metric and standard set.
Yep.
Impact grade with your extensions.
That's really, really nice right there.
2 batteries and the charger. And of
Everything
course,
goes in a case.
got the metric. Click style. A lot of people ask me for click style, although
yeah.
our A-Tech is definitely my choice.
I
Got your
do like that
half-inch-
click style.
Yeah, 1/2 dual beam, 3/8 and quarter click.
That split beam is my favorite.
I like it. It's a set and forget.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the main. And also got some snap-on Tupperware,
Okay.
movable cases. I guess there's a part number if anybody is interested.
That's different. Is it magnetic on the bottom or
It
anything?
is not.
Just
I have not found any. Not at all.
boy. It
No,
looks
we-
kind of like a fancy Chinese multi-family takeout box. It looks like. It's pretty cool though. Like, I mean, if
That'll
you had that in a
definitely be in-
toolbox drawer, you think about all the nuts, bolts,
Oh, yeah.
screws,
Yep.
clips, you know.
Flexible magnet.
That's nice.
5-pound magnet. A lot of my guys wished it had the 18
Oh yeah.
pound on it there, but a lot of my shops are all big shops. So, and of course, have the same thing with a mirror on the end of it.
Mhm.
I see where both of them come in very handy. I do agree
Absolutely.
with my guys for the 18 pound. That would definitely be handy.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Probably what would happen though, it would be so heavy because the magnet was so strong. When you get it out of those kink
Oh,
places trying to get it, oh yeah, it would
yeah,
end up
would not
being.
flex.
It's kind of like throwing for guys that fish a lot, throwing a topwater jig and it going into a willow tree. You know, that's what it'd be like getting it out of
It'd
there.
be, yeah. Then we do have this. This I haven't really tried. It does have 6 different speeds. It is
Okay.
a new grinder. Does have a fall protection, which we'll try it real quick. You may have to edit afterwards, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to cut off when it falls, but I may have
Probably
to
just-
let it fall.
Oh, it did. So
Yeah.
I guess it has
It
like,
will
it
cut
must
off.
have like a
have a
vibration.
Gyro or something in there.
Yeah, something. Somebody knows them fancy words for all that stuff, but when it
Yeah.
falls over, it feels the impact, probably.
Yeah.
Which is really good because, dude,
Oh, that thing
I know
probably
there's.
dance.
I know I'm not the only one that's ever seen somebody set a skill saw down that's had the
The
guard
lock.
backwards, or a grinder, and lay it on a metal table, and it run off the table.
Yeah, keep on dancing.
You want to see how fast you can move? That'll get you. That is nice. MG 1250.
3/4.
Yes, sir. Very nice.
For those bigger jobs, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Or I guess for a lube tech, they'd be taking off the oil pan drain plug.
Yeah, exactly. Putting it on more like
Yeah,
it.
putting it on
There
too.
you go.
Yeah.
Man, you have got this thing stacked full of stuff.
Yes, I do.
What's all these? All that.
That's
stuff?
still the
Chisels
pry
set
bars and
stuff?
hammers. Yeah, I keep on moving. Oh yeah, I did get in the deep and semi-deep swivels.
Mm-hmm.
Sold a few torque sets. I did sell my master set and metric and standard.
Yeah.
Yeah, still, as I get stuff in, I just keep
Still
on filling
no
it.
250th set.
No, they actually have shown up on my shipping list.
Oh,
so maybe not far away. I hope not far away, because I was hoping to have them by the 4th.
Yeah.
I guess like everybody else, but nope, have not shown up yet. Got some of the 19-inch pads. Those are always,
man, those are so
kneecap
nice,
savers.
dude. Well, what I used them for, those pads a lot, is like, you know, when you're working on a diesel truck, especially, you know, like a 7.3 for instance,
Yeah.
that hood latch, you guys know what I'm talking about.
right there in the
it's
right
gonna
spot.
come up and it's gonna hit you right in your belly button hole. So I use those pads for kind of laying on that kind of stuff. So,
Yeah.
and then I bought an under hood creeper and I thought, this is the answer. Well, then you catch yourself kind of resting on your elbows, and that's where
Still need it
that
for the
come in
elbow.
handy
Yeah.
there. So
Yeah.
that's a cool set right there.
There's a few different ones on that.
Something different.
I think I got it that way, and there's also there's two.
Oh, wow, that is wild right there, dude.
If you work them wires around
Yeah.
hard to reach spots, just there would be the part
That is a
numbers.
really nice set right there. So for you guys that's trying to go through firewalls or whatever, this is a really cool set right here with
Yeah.
that bend in it. And of course that's just your regular straight wire insertion tool, but it's nice. I like that it screws in too instead of just snapping in.
I don't know how well
Because
that.
man, I bought a cheap set. You know how it is. Like, I'll never use this thing more than this job, you know. And then before you get that job done, you're wishing you already bought a nicer set.
Yeah.
Well, mine had a push-in type handle. And when you go to, you know, you have to kind of turn things
Yeah.
sometimes to get it to go through that rubber.
Slide out.
Oh no, the handle would just turn. So you'd try to grip that little tube, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try and move it. And I did get in. Probably the last of the newer stuff would be the mat.
Yeah.
It's not a magic creeper, but it works.
Yeah.
And I did get in another little turtle box.
Yeah, y'all. Them things must have done really well. Because everybody that I seen that got one, they liked them. So.
So different.
Well, speaking of stuff that come in, did my stuff come in?
Yes, it did.
Yeah. Y'all get to see what I ordered.
I'm gonna ask you.
That's a nice set too. I like those like that that's got that spinning end cap.
Yeah,
that's really nice.
And that's Torx, Squares, Flathead, and Phillips. Or
Okay.
Allen's, I'm sorry. Allen, Torx, Phillips, and Flatheads.
Alright. That's a cool set.
And then yes, this was actually at my house when I got home last Thursday.
So there it is, boys. We're gonna give this thing a run, and since y'all seeing me pay for this, y'all know that ain't no sponsored crap. So, just like the ink pen, that one hurts a little bit, but we gonna know soon what it does.
In the wash.
That's it. All right. Lots of goodies up here today.
Yeah.
Y'all need to go check them out. Right with one. That's all I'm saying. Like, I'm surprised that thing's still going with ink, because like that's the pen I used to write with, just because it writes so well. They would do well just to come out with a standard ink pen with those.
Just that rolled that well.
Man.
Only other thing I found is like I like the gel.
Yeah.
I like the gel pens. And that's about it. Writes just as well, if not better, than the gel
Good.
pens I use.
Really good. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. Hopefully, you guys are going to have an amazing 4th of July.
Yes.
Try to keep all your digits. It's going to be easy to make a mistake if you've had too many adult beverages. So, like always, guys, hit that thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm. Check over for merchandise, code tools, and discount codes down here. If you're not subscribed, take your finger and click that button. Y'all have a great weekend. See ya.